making a birdhouse?
Yep. It's the extra perfect bird.
Hey.
And we are building a birdhouse.
You ready to put a screw in for me? A nail in, Oliver?
Yep.
Okay, put this nail in the hole first. You gotta put the nail in the hole. So Mommy can see it. Put the nail in the hole, okay?
I see the
See the little hole? Now slide it in there. Push it all the way in. Good job. Now we gotta hit it with the hammer. Put it right here while we hit it. Actually, let's do it this way. There we go. Hey, good job. All done. Good job, Oliver. You even finished them off. No, we're leaving that up here for now. There you go. Your hammer. These nails. Okay, just watch your fingers. That is a real hammer. Okay, next. Good job. Wow, girl, you have got this down.
Good job,
No,
Sissy.
I have got time. Where did mine?
Okay. Awesome, Ellie. You know what? I don't even think Daddy has to do anything.
Good job.
Next, we'll put some glue on here. So still got the left one.
I got chain. I got chain.
Okay, guys, you're gonna dry probably for a few hours.
Yeah, they're all dry, so now it's time to paint our birdhouses. See, the sun came out.
Is the food dry?
Is the food dry? Yes, it is.
Wow.
Oliver, look at that. You built that with Daddy.
Yeah. Looks pretty cool.
It does look pretty cool.
Now we can
Are you so excited, Ellie?
excited.
Get your brush.
Then we can paint our like
What color is it? You did that back.
oh, I thought the sun is out.
No, well, feel that cold breeze. That's the cold and the warm mixing. That comes through cold and warm mixing, then you get
Try to hold it, the birds come on it.
Yeah.
Try to hold the bird out.
We can go hang them up and the birdies can
No,
come.
Mom, you have to hold it.
Yeah.
Until the birds come, you can hold it. But until the birds come, the birds might land on your house.
Yeah.
You know that? You know what?
I did not, but that is pretty cool.
Oh, that's
Did you see a bird in the tree? There probably is a bunch of nests in the tree. It's a big tree.
Yeah, but we can't see it.
Let's go hang up our bird feeders.
I don't want to hang out mine.
You don't want to hang up your bird feeder? Oh, the rain, Ellie, and the thunder. Do you feel the rain? There's a little overhang that's protecting you from getting wet.
Oh, A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
All right.
A.
Talk bright.
Yes, we can make it red.
Wow.
Look at the red chalk I made.
It's so bright when it's wet, isn't it, honey?
Can't wait to try it. What's inside? Hey, is it gonna be red or pink? Let's see.
Let's see.
It's red.
Look how bright that is.
It's so bright red. Hey, that's pink.
Ellie, are you getting your chalk all bright?
Okay.
It's fun to play with wet chalk, isn't it? You getting water in your eyes, honey?
That's doing that.
Oh.
It's making it orange.
Wow.
Bright orange. And mine's making it pink. We're straight out.
Ooh, how pretty. Yay.
Red or orange? Let's see.
Give me your binoculars, honey.
See the car and I see the sun is out.
Where's your binoculars, honey? The sun is out. Show Daddy your binoculars that we made. Yeah.
Jump. I'm in this car.
Oh, that's a nice puddle. You're a good puddle splasher.
Hop. Baby, jump. Hop.
If we go down to the end of the driveway, there might be some more puddles. Down there. Oliver, I see one. There's a puddle. That's a good puddle. Hey guys, let's run down here. There's a bigger one down here. Go follow Oliver.
A big puddle.
We found a big puddle. That's the best puddle.